Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Layout tab, and then you want to go where it says Line Numbers, click inside of here, and select Continuous. And now if you go ahead and start typing random letters or numbers or whatever, you should have various line numbers next to all the numbers. And again, this would look a lot better if you had a lot of words already typed up here. You would just see these numbers next to them. And if you click on the drop down again, you can restart the line count after every page or after every section, which is basically just every paragraph. And you can also suppress for the current paragraph, so you can just skip over line numbers for a particular block of text. In further options, if you go underneath line numbering options here, you can adjust how far over the page numbers are on the page, depending on the page orientation, as well as the vertical alignment of those page numbers. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.